What's up guys, it's your girl Mel and welcome back to my channel. If you guys hear a little baby in the background, you know baby Luca is always here with me. So I reviewed this wig a while ago and I did my crochet method to hide it so you can wear it with absolutely no leave out. You guys loved it, you ate it up. So I decided to bring it back because I grew in a lot of subscribers. So just in case you guys haven't seen this method before, I'm like, let me do it again. This method is great. I rarely leave hair out, like when I have my U parts. Because of this method, it's just not necessary, you know? It's so quick, easy, and a great protective style overall. This unit is from UNice. It is a kinky curly hair, as you can see, and I will have everything in the description box below. Yeah, I love experimenting with other colors, but I'm really just a black girl. I'm really just a black hair girly. Something about black hair always gets my heart. I don't know, probably because it's also my natural hair color, but I just love it. It gives such a nice, just classic vibe. And this unit already came pretty dark. It didn't come in that, you know, weird brownish color, so we love that. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's jump into this video. So I don't know why I had a wig cap on. I thought I needed it, but I took it off. So you want to make sure your hair is flat, whether this is plaits, cornrows, or you can catch your hair back in one. Those are pretty much your three options for this. I just washed my hair, so I just put some plaits in it because I knew I was going to put this wig on and just caught it back in one. So I just washed the wig. This is it. She's nice. She's fresh. I'm going to go over the goodies that they give you. So you have a bag to put your wig in, some lashes, 2 different color wig caps, nails, which is new, and I was so excited about because I love press-ons. That's all I wear. So this is the structure of the wig, and then we're just going to put it on. And you're going to pretty much fit it onto your head. As you can see, I'm going to be playing around with it because you want to play around and make sure it's comfortable, adjusting the size, adjusting the pins, you know, just play around until you get a good fit on your head for you. So now we're going to go ahead and define these curls. I am going to do, to me, this is the quickest method, just spraying the hair down with some water. It is still a little damp from being washed, but I'm just going to, you know, make sure it's a little bit more wet before applying the mousse. So I use water, mousse, finger coil, and this is like a quick, easy finger coil. It's nothing intricate. Honestly, you can do this in like 8 minutes. It's really easy. And I'm using edge booster mousse, but any mousse can work. Like I usually flip-flop around depending whatever I have on hand. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me. Honestly, this hair is so easy to define. The quality is already so good. Like it's just cake, like, and that's why I love it, because it's perfect if I have to run out somewhere really quickly or my time is just limited with the baby. So anything that's really fast is honestly perfect for me. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby.
universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You,
Okay, so once you have completely defined your curls, you're gonna go ahead and dry it with a diffuser. You can also air dry or use a blow dryer. So here my curls are dry, they are fluffy, they're big, juicy. I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil to break it apart a little to get more volume. So now this part is completely optional. It is the crochet method. I'm gonna do it because without it, you know, I still feel like this just doesn't look that natural. So I'm gonna do the crochet method, but you don't have to, or you can leave a little bit of your hair out, but I'm opting for this method because you can also leave, you know, the wig on your head. You can sleep with it. It's essentially a protective style. It's like a quick crochet.
that does the things that you do to me. That's why I get nervous. I try to be cool, but you see me the right way. Oh, and I see you too. I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for so wanna be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust.
So this is the finished product. It's so cute. I am literally in love. This was so quick and easy to do, and it just looks so good.
Butterflies every time I'm with you. I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see.
All right, guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. You know, I'll have short form content for you guys as well, so you could save and, you know, pop it up real quick if you run it out and you need to remember how to do this. On my Instagram at Melissa McFierce, and TikTok at Melissa McFierce, and Pinterest at Melissa McFierce. Let me know what you think about this. Have you given this a try yet? If you didn't, what are you waiting for? Why are you still leaving hair out and damaging your hair? Why? But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all next week.